Alright, we're going to talk about third-party extensions in SketchUp. A couple in particular here that I like to use. The first one is called Joint Push Pull, and it's by Frito6 on the Sketchucation plugin store. Here's the toolbar for it. I have it down here. And what Joint Push Pull does is, by default, SketchUp's own push-pull tool can only work on one coplanar face at a time. So you can select it, pull it out, and stuff like that. But let's undo this. Let's say you want to extend out all of these at the same time. Well, you would think that you could select all these together, hit the push-pull tool, and pull them all out at once, but you can't. So the only way around this is to use the extension by Frito6 called Joint Push Pull. So let's go ahead and select all three of those faces. Go down, we'll click the Joint Push Pull tool. You can see here there's some preferences that you can select for it. You can hit the Tab key to change these. Erase original faces, or fast lifting. I tend to use, on some objects, use thickening. So like if you were wanting to see at a wall or something, you were going to also see the back side. This will keep it from deleting the original faces, is what it basically is. So you can see here the different preferences here. We'll just hit OK because those are all right. Now, after you have these selected, and then you hit the Joint Push Pull tool icon, you can just go over any of them and start to pull, and you can kind of see the outline of where it's going to be. Once you've got it the way you're pretty sure you want it, all you have to do is double click on the circle in there, and it'll go ahead and create those faces for you. Now, it's pretty handy, especially if you have any curved surfaces or something like that. Now, some of these other icons, this is by, to push pull by, I think, vertex value. Let's see. Go ahead and select these faces. These are just different ways of doing it. So I guess this is, well, this does it individually. So this kind of group extrudes them, it looks like. Escape to get rid of that one there. Let's go ahead and undo it. Go ahead back and select these three again. Well, here, this is a vector, so I suppose that kind of is going to pull them all out to the same space. I never use this particular one. So that one's looking kind of ugly, but like I said, I'm not sure how to use this one. I'll use the joint push pull part of it. So we'll undo that. And that's about it for the joint push pull tool by Frito6.